Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching us how to make a half circle skirt. To make your half circle skirt, you'll be needing the following measurements. You'll be needing your waist measurement and your full length measurement. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, I'll advise you do so you won't be missing out on our videos. Also, you can click on the bell button so as to be notified when we have new videos. Okay, a very quick one. On the table I have folded here is my fabric, Ankara fabric, African print. Okay, so I have 3.5 inches here on the table. So how to get your accurate measurements? You'll be needing your waist measurements. Your waist measurements for this case, for this tutorial, the waist measurement I'll be working with is waist 34. I'll be adding 2 inches to it to give me 36. The 2 inches will be for the zipper allowance at the back or wherever side you want to put it, whichever side you want to put it. Okay, also the full length is 40 inches. Because I'll be adding a band of 2.5 inches, you can make your band 2.5 inches, 2 inches, or 3 inches. So for the full length, it is 40 inches. But because I'll be making a band of 2.5, I'll subtract 2.5 away from 40 inches. So I'll be left with 37.5. Okay, remember the waistband will be at the top, so it's going to be adding more inches to it, so we'll be subtracting it away from the full length. Okay, so we'll be consider your waist measurements. Remember the actual waist is 34. I added 2 inches, that makes it 36. So in this case, 36 divided by 3.14 gives me 11.46, approximately 11.5. Okay, so to get a total of what you'll be folding to get your half circle skirt will be your 11.5 that I derived by dividing my waist by 3.15. So 11.5 plus the full length measurement, that is 11.5 plus 38.5. So I'll be working with a total of 51 inches. That is on fold. That is what I'll be folding out in a triangular shape. So you get your fabric, you measure out 51. Okay, 51 in 2 places, 51 inches all the way down in 2 places. Because my Ankara fabric is by 45 inches, okay, it's not by 60. So because it's 45 inches, so we'll be folding it that way. Okay, so 51 inches like I have here, then you fold it, that's twice. So that means you're having 251 inches on fold. Okay, then after that, fold it into a triangular shape, just like I have it. That's what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so this is it. I folded the 51 inches. We had it in 2 folds. Yes, that is 51 in 2 places. Then I got a triangular shape, just like I have it here. I want us to see clearly. Okay, so this is my triangular shape folded out. So as you can see, the lower part is not equal just because it is by 45 inches. The fabric is by 45 inches. So don't worry, we'll sort that out. So can we see the tip? Yes, the triangular edge that we have here. So from there, remember our calculation for the waist. You'll be measuring the waist circumference from this triangular shape. So the first thing we'll be doing is the waist measurement is 34. The actual waist measurement is 34, like we did, we got out the calculations. So now it is time for us to impute the 11.5 that we derived by dividing 36, that is the waist measurement plus 2 divided by 3.14. So I'm working with 11.5. From this point, 11.5, okay, marked it out, 11.5 all the way to form a cone. You'll be getting a cone shape. The same thing here, 11.5. Okay, 11.5 also. Trying to get a perfect cone so we can connect it. Wow. I'm very sure it's bold enough for us to see. This is the blue chalk that I'm using. Okay, so 11.5, that is our waist circumference. Now we'll be getting the full length measurement. We're working out the full length measurement. So from this angle, I'll measure out the full length. In this case, the full length is 40 minus 2.5 inches for the band. So what I have here is 37.5. Okay, so I'll measure 37.5 all the way. 37.5. So I'll be adding 1 inch for the same allowance. That makes it 38.5. Okay, I want us to see it clearly. So I'll do the same thing from this angle, from that point, 37.5 plus 1 inch, that gives us 38.5. So I'll be measuring 38.5 all the way. Okay. So as you can see, at this point, the fabric is not equal any longer, but don't worry, we'll sort it out. Okay. 38.5. 38.5. Here also, 38.5. Okay, same thing here also, 38.5. Yes, I don't believe you can see it. So, this is it. Look at this place now. You can see that it is not equal. From here, the other half is not equal. So we'll be cutting out what will make it complete at this point. It's actually not much. So let's cut this out first, then we'll get the other parts fixed. Okay, now let's fix this other part that is not complete. You have to consider the pattern if your fabric has patterns. Okay, so I'll be considering this pattern. I think I'll work with this part of the fabric. And remember the fact that you'll be joining this to make it complete. So you consider that fact, and also I'll consider this edge, because this is where the print or the label of the fabric is. So I'll be rolling this out. Okay, remember this is what we want to fix. We need to complete this part of it. So this will make it complete. Yeah. Okay, so let me trim off this label. I don't want to have this label. I already subtracted it. Can we see? With this, it is complete. Then this is the half inch seam allowance for the joining. So that means I'll be sewing this place. Then I'll have this. Then it will complete. Can we see? Makes this part, this half part complete. Okay, so let's also cut the upper part that has the comb. Yes, and we say we have our full skirt all ready. Yes, almost done. So after this, I'll be cutting out the band. You can make your band 2.5 2 inches or 3 inches, but in this case I'll be working with a band of 2.5 inches because I don't really want it to be too big. Okay. Okay, so to have my band, I have my fabric here. So I'll be folding 2.5 inches. The exact band length is 2.5, so I'll make it 3 inches. So that's 3 inches on fold. That gives us a total of 6 inches. Okay, so remember that the waist is 34 inches plus 2 inches. So we're measuring out 36. The exact waist measurement that I need is what I'll be considering here, 36. So this is my 36. Remember the what's it called, the 3 inches is on 4, so that's 6 inches. What makes it 6 inches is because it's on 4, then half inch for the seam allowance. So this is my 36 inches. This is all that I need. Okay, so you can decide to put an interface. Yes, you can put your gum stay at the band. You can iron it to make it firm at the waist. Okay, so this is all we have. I'll be showing us soon what it looks like. Thank you so much for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to my channel, remember, click on the subscribe button. Also, like our videos, and also click on the bell to get notified when we have new videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.